Hey everyone, just wanted to take a few minutes to discuss with you about if it's in your better interest to look for a home that's at a much lower price because it needs work and kind of make it your own. So this is going to depend on what you're willing to do. Obviously, the price is going to intrigue you because it's much lower than what all the homes in the same subdivision or area are going for. But if you consider all the repairs that are needed to be done to the home, in reality, you may be getting into something that's going to be more costly than you thought it would be, and the effort and time spent may not necessarily be worth it. When if you bought a home that was at retail value or the price that it should be and it was completely updated or had to do nothing to it, that could have been the better option. Now, the reasons to buy a home that needs work: one, if it's an older home and it has character that you're not going to see in a lot of these updated homes and you really like character, and you don't want a cookie cutter home as they call it, then yeah, that's going to be probably the better option for you, unless there is a home that has a character that's already updated. If you're an investor yourself and you like to do work, or you really like to make homes your own, then obviously that's probably going to be the better option for you too, to buy a home at a lower price and do the updates, because you're not looking to do the updates to sell it. You're now living in it, so the value for the after repair value, we'll call it, is not going to be as important to you. The only other reason is, let's say that the homes that are completely updated, they aren't everything that you want. But if you buy an older home or a home that needs a lot of work and you kind of gutted everything out and you know what you're getting yourself into, and you're willing to, if you have great contractors, you're going to willing to do the work and do it how you want, then yeah, that may be a good option. Or it may be better for you to just build your own home if that makes more sense. In reality, it's going to come down to the cost, the time, the effort, and what's going to make more sense for you at this present time. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, or you can email me at closewithpatrice@gmail.com. All right, thanks. Have a good one. Bye.